So exciting. Are you recording this?
Yep.
Stop. Have it.
Why?
No. Hey, Mom.
You look so pretty today.
Thank you. So do you.
Oh, thank you. We are just too cute.
You're pretty cute.
We're pretty cute.
Go back. I won, see? Wasp in the eye! Not kidding, a wasp went in my eye! It went in your eye?
Yes.
That's a gift for walking away all on your own.
Oh, these are comfy chairs over here. We got bird poop on them. Probably.
Yeah.
That's okay though.
That does.
So did the
So.
bench, but we made it work.
You said we did. You
Well,
made
it can
him
be
sit
washed.
down. You say you made it. You mean you made him do it?
Did they find any eggs?
Yeah. He cheated at once. I found that one over there. It was in the birdhouse, and he took it away from me.
Oh, that one was definitely for Ty, because I knew that you had to kind of reach that.
I know. That's why I went to go get the ones he could never actually get.